Hi, are you looking for unbiased reviews on your search across fashion, beauty, homewares, electronics and more? Well, then you have come to the right place. Logforshop is one of the best websites to check reviews on items you are searching for, based on the quality, value for money and customer service experience. We make lists of product review and comparison in various categories. The products selected are the best and most recommended by consumers in the market. We do in-depth research on each product and publish the review on our website and YouTube. Our goal is to help consumers save time to find the best products that are worth their money. We publish reviews daily and you're guaranteed to find something you'll love. Get reviews of latest smartphone, electronics, fashion and lifestyle products of best brands with best discounts. Logforshop brings you hundreds of reviews on thousands of items from top brands all over the world, categorized as electronics and computers, health and beauty, sports and outdoors and more. It is very challenging to choose the right product without in-depth research. Logforshop makes this as simple as that you can choose the right one for you. Settle on the best that excites you and meets your needs for the best experience.